Good morning, folks. Will Diego here. Monday, August 14th, 2023. And guess what I forgot to do? I'm headed down to Starbucks with my wheelchair puller. I forgot to feed the pigeons first thing this morning. Look, they're all waiting for Mom. Mom and Ray and Daniel left for America's Got Talent last night. They finally got going about almost 1:30 in the morning after lighting the AGT sign on fire and trying to get the camera, the GoPro working. Okay, so they're gone, and I've got the party park. I've got to watch it this whole week by myself, take care of all the dogs, and take care of everything. Hello, kitty. Yes. Charlie, good boy. Charlie, good boy. Oh, come on. Let's go get some food. Come on. Where's Tara? Let's go get some food. What are you doing, Tara? Ah, you're doing una doo-doo. Tara, bad dog. Yeah. See what I got to clean up? Charlie, let's get comida. Come on. Come on. Where's Charlie? Where's Charlie? Let's get, you guys want a wiener? Want a hot dog? Charlie. 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 Hot dog for you, Charlie. Come on. One for Tira. One for Charlie. Okay. There we go. You happy? Look. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. Oh boy. Happy dogs. Happy dogs. So the first thing I got to do is, I also redid my my steering mechanism right here. This was all loose and wobbly. I had to put the wheel, both wheels the same now. Okay. Yeah, so it feels a lot better already. Let's check it out. Okay, yeah, see? It was getting to where it wasn't even going to turn. All right. So there's nobody in the party park for the time being, hour or so. Well, I go down to Starbucks here. Okay, beautiful Monday morning, beautiful Las Vegas, Nevada. Okay, Charlie's out and back already. Okay, hopefully Ray and Mom and Daniel got down to LA already this morning. So they got meetings starting at 10 o'clock this morning. They've got meetings already. So, okay, Charlie, we'll see you in a little bit, Charlie. Good boy. Charlie's a good boy. Okay. Take a look in the mirror of the store this morning. Furniture store, our neighbors. Aha, there's a homeless guy right there. Sleeping on the grass. Yeah. That's Las Vegas for you folks. Okay, folks, made it down here to my favorite place outside the party park. That's good old Starbucks. Okay. All right. See you guys later. Take care. Okay. Having something different this morning. Okay. Normally I get a small house coffee with a little cream and sugar. Today I asked for something different. Pikes Peak Coffee is their house coffee, but I wanted it infused with hot steamed milk. and still my 8 sugars with steamed milk. So perfect. Wow. Yeah, that's really good. And guess what? There's no extra charge for steamed milk and sugar. There's no extra charge. So I'm paying for a medium house coffee, $3.20. It's not bad. Okay. Thank you, God, for small favors. Okay. Get down to business here. Figure out what's going on in the world, what we need to do, what we need to be ready for, what we need to be prepared for. When Mom and Ray get back from America's Got Talent, I'm headed to San Quintin. The little woman can come if she wants to, but we've got to get down there and got to get to doing some survival fishing. Okay? That's the name of the game, folks. These young men are being pretty rowdy over here. Survival fishing. Okay. Howdy, folks. Little Diego here. Tuesday, the 15th of August. I would say beautiful Las Vegas, but this is what happened just down the street from the party park. Looks like there's a dead dog, for one thing. Bunch of cops. This has been going on since like 4:30 this morning. There's the animal control right there. So yeah, all this over a dead dog. I thought it was a homicide or a hit and run at least. Hey, Vegas, Vegas, Vegas. Who knows about this place? Yeah, it's definitely a dead dog. But that's a big deal nowadays. Dead dog. Bunch of cops, just like a dead person. Okay, folks. Let's just try to stay out of their way. There goes the animal control. All this over a dead dog. I hopefully no people were hurt. It does look like quite a bit of damage to that little car, though. Besides just the dog, you know. Okay. Right here by Lee's Liquor. The party park is half block down the road here. More traffic than usual coming through our parking lot. Okay, folks, I wish I could say it was a beautiful morning in Las Vegas, but it looks like it started with the bad news. Something happened. Dead dog is bad enough, but hopefully no people were hurt. Now, when I left the party park about 4:30, 5 o'clock this morning, I did see a woman walking along here, and she walked to the back of the party park and maybe threw something. So let's go take a look over there. Maybe it's more than just looks like more than just a dead dog in the road. Some kind of fatality, and the dog got it too. The dog and a person. So just, it was unusual to see a woman walking about that time along here, and then she appeared to throw something over here behind the party park. Let's take a look. Okay, I can go online when I get to Starbucks and find out what happened. Okay, and you never know. If you see something, say something. It was unusual at 4:30 in the morning to see a pretty well-dressed middle-aged woman walking along here, and then she walked exactly behind the party park and looked at something. So I don't know what the hell's going on. There's also a person sitting down here too. So let's take a look at what's going on. Okay. Okay, folks, I'm gonna put the camera down like this. Talk to this person. Do you know what happened?
A dog got hit.
Just a dog?
That's it.
Looks like more than just a dog.
You would think, but it isn't though. That's all it is.
Oh my God, what's the world coming to?
Right?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, back here. Okay, I don't see nothing, but she walked back here and looked at something. I can hear Charlie barking. So all that over a dead dog? Okay. We'll find out. Okay, good morning, folks. Made it down to Starbucks. Got my special coffee, which is now a medium coffee with half house coffee and half steamed milk and a little on the sweet side. Perfect. Okay, pretty quiet over here at Starbucks, but I did find out on the news that a pedestrian was critically injured the dog was killed and the pedestrian was critically injured. But the person who hit the dog and the person remained on the scene and did not appear to be impaired. So that means everything's okay. Accident at 3:50 in the morning, 4 o'clock. So it must have just happened as I was walking out the door or real close to them. I did see that woman that looked kind of suspicious. Who knows? She could have been a passenger or something. Who knows? But the dog, it wasn't over just a dog. The dog was killed and a person is critically injured. So looks like a pretty bad way to start the day here in the Vegas Valley. Well, Diego, over and out for now.